So I just wanted to come to you guys and talk about the new skincare line that I just bought online at Ulta. So we're going to do an unboxing, and yeah, stay tuned. Let's see what free samples I got. You guys probably don't care, but I do. Let's just go through this really quick. I have some Bare Minerals eye cream. Bare Minerals eye cream. And I have some Becca primer. Okay. Ooh, I wanted to try this too. The Clinique Jelly. The Benefit Brow Fiber. Let's see. Oh, it's like something to make your brows look fuller. Cool. And some moisturizer by Confidence in the Cream. Some blush. Some little blushes. Some Smashbox primers. And they're having a beauty event March 17th through April the 6th. 50% off some brands. So that's all that came in the sample kit. Let's see. Let's get to what I bought. So I bought the Peter Thomas Roth mask set. So it comes with 6 masks, 6-piece set. It was right here. It comes with the pumpkin enzyme mask, the cucumber gel mask, the rose stem cell bio repair mask, the Hungarian thermal water mask, 24 karat gold mask, which I can't wait to try, and the Irish Moor Mud purifying black mask. So all of these have really great reviews. Can't wait to try them. And yeah, you guys can look them up. I'm not going to make this video super lengthy. So, in my bag, I have the Firm X Peeling Gel. This is really all I wanted. But this is $48 by itself. I'm pretty sure that's the price. But the kit with the Water Drenched Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer and the Anti-Aging Cleansing Gel came with this for $68. So it was this, and this. All for $68. And this was originally $48 by itself. So I was like, I'll take these too for the extra $20. Yep, so, and it just has the, like a pamphlet. Oh, it has like instructions on how to use everything. And the, just the background, which is pretty cool. A lot of companies don't send you a pamphlet of everything with all the ingredients and like how to use it. I mean, usually it's on the back of the product, but this is pretty cool too. Alright, so that's all that was in my box. I'm gonna, start using these skincare products. So this is what I'll be using for the next couple months. And yeah, I'll come back to you guys about some vitamins I'm gonna start taking, but that's gonna be in another video. So if you want to keep up with my skincare, new stuff I'm gonna start doing to my skin, then yeah, subscribe and make sure that you keep following me so you can see how these products are working on my skin. My skin is pretty like a combination of dry and oily, and I'm kind of acne prone, so that's why I got all of these products because they have like really great exfoliating enzymes and anti-aging, glycolic acid and hyaluronic acid. So I'm really just trying to tackle those skincare problems that I'm having. And yeah, make sure that I'm ready for the summer because minimal makeup in the summer. So this is my 6-month lock journey as well. I started them in July of last year, so yeah, I'm 6 months in. Maybe I'll do a video when I get them done. I might get them done soon. I'm graduating from esthetician school this Saturday, so gotta find something to do with them. I'm so excited. I'm so ready to get out that school. I heard really great reviews about, you know, this peeling gel moisturizer. Let's see what this looks like. It smells kind of good. Ooh, very soft. Ooh, this is how I want my skin to feel, y'all. Ooh, this stuff feels so good. Oh, I'm mad I even wasted that much on my fucking finger. I need to use this on my face. It says use 1 to 3 times a week depending on skin sensitivity. Okay. Rinse well with water for extra enzymic exfoliation. Leave on for 1 to 5 minutes before rinsing. Is oil-free, anti-wrinkle technology. Helps visibly brighten with glycolic acid and salicylic acid, citric acid, extracts of peach. God damn. Ugh. Extracts of peach, white oak bark, lemon, lime, lemon, grapefruit, argentine for all skin types except sensitive. Ooh. I'm excited. Alright guys, so I'll come back to you guys next week with another video on how these products are working for me.